Welcome to Tech Tree, myself Vineet. In last video we have created singleton using eager initialization. But there are some pros and cons. The good thing about this implementation is that it is very easy to implement. But there are some problems. Here the object is created once class is loaded. So it is unutilization of resources like CPU and the memory. So if I will open the Eclipse, let me zoom in a little bit. Here you can see that the class is created, it is marked as static, and the instance is created at the time of class load. No matter if we will use this instance or not, so it is unutilization of resources. Now the solution of this problem is lazy initialization. What this says that whenever it is required, we can create the object of the instance. So let me change this to lazy initialization. We will not initiate the instance here, but in place of this we will modify this get instance method. So what I will do, I'll check if instance is null, then what I'll do, I'll create the object once it is required. If it is null, then we will create the instance. Yeah, so it is called lazy initialization. Let's call this. Yeah, so object will be created once it will be required. It will not be created as class loading. So this is the benefit. So object is created only if it is needed. But what is the problem? In multi-threading environment, it may break the rule of singleton. Let's understand this. Suppose multiple thread came together at line number 15. What will happen? Thread 1 will create another instance and thread 2 will create another instance. So together many instances could be created if many threads came together at line number 16. This is the problem. The solution of this problem is we can create thread safe singleton. So how to create thread safe singleton? We can mark this method as synchronize. Yeah, now our problem is solved. If many threads comes together at line number 13, they will be blocked. Here it is thread safe, lazy initialization is possible, but the problem, get instance method is synchronized. So it causes slow performance as multiple thread cannot access this method simultaneously. Definitely there will be performance problem because this method is synchronized. All the thread will be blocked here at line number 13. To solve this problem, we can implement double check locking. This is also thread safe singleton. Let's do this. So in place of putting synchronize here, what I'll do, I'll remove synchronize from this method and I'll create synchronize block. Let's create synchronize block. Yeah, let's put class label locking, and then here we can check again if instance is null, only then we will create the object of instance. Now this is there will not be any performance issue, because only once this block will be executed. For if second time, if any thread comes at this line number 15, this thread will not go to this synchronized block. So our thread safe, this is example of thread safe, and there won't be any performance problem. Let's run this. Yeah, this is working fine. Now, so this is also thread safe. The problem, if many threads come together at first time, they will be blocked. Still there is a problem. If many threads came together at line number 17 first time, they all will be blocked at first time. So there is another way to create the singleton class. We will discuss that in next video. Thanks for watching.